Okay, so we have been asking a few questions in the previous videos, and we stopped at the point when we asked if there were going to be any threats from the solar flares. So I want to ask a few more questions regarding that. So, will there be any threats from the solar flares? Thank you. Will these threats from the solar flares harm humans on Earth? Will they harm the humans on Earth? Okay, that's a no. Alright. Do we need to be worried about these solar flares that are happening or will happen? Do we have to be worried about these solar flares as humans on Earth? Okay, they're saying no. But that wasn't like a very big no. So, do we have to take precautions when these solar flares start to happen? Okay, that's a yes. And I can't obviously ask what kind of precautions, but when we do figure them out, we can then ask if those are good precautions or not. So we're going to continue with the other questions that Harish has. He would like to know, during these solar flares or the pole shift that happens, will there be 2 or 3 days of complete darkness like the ancients have said? Wow, that's a possibility. We'll ask more questions.